أعزائي طلاب جريد 7 أهلا بكم معكم مستر محمد زيدان math teacher. Today إن شاء الله we'll speak about lesson number 4 which is entitled parallelogram and its properties. Okay, at first let me make quick revision about the polygon. As we know, polygon is a closed shape consists from three sides or more, like triangle, like quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, and so on. And as we know, the polygon has the same number of sides, the same number of angle, the same number of the vertices. Today we'll speak about the father of the quadrilateral, which is a parallelogram and its properties. Okay. Then, the definition of parallelogram is a quadrilateral. Why a quadrilateral? Because it consists from four sides. Then that means quadrilateral. Okay, four sides, quadrilateral. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which each opposite side are parallel. Look at AB. If AB parallel with CD and AD parallel with CB. That means each opposite side are parallel. Then if I ask you about the definition of the parallelogram, you will told me that parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which each opposite side are parallel. Okay, then what about properties of parallelogram? I have four properties belong to the parallelogram. The first, it was about the side. As we know, the parallelogram has four sides. Each opposite side are parallel. But the first properties, it was about each opposite side are equal in length. Each opposite side are equal in length. That means AB parallel with CD and AB equal CD. Okay, it's a first. The second, it was about angle. Each opposite angle are equal in measure. Look at angle A and angle C. They are equal in measure. If angle A equals 60, that means angle C equal 60. If angle B equal 120, that means angle D equal 120. Okay, then the first properties is each opposite side are equal in length. The second, each opposite angle are equal in measure. Okay, property number 3, it was about the two adjacent angle. He told me that the property of number 3, the sum of two adjacent angle. Angle B and angle C are adjacent. Then the sum of the two adjacent angle are supplementarily. What's the meaning of supplementarily? We take it in the first term, that means A plus B equal 180. Okay. Then if I ask you that angle A equal 70 degree, then angle B equal what? Oh, you told me that 7 plus B equal 180, then B will equal 110. Why? Look, if angle A equal 70 degree, يبقى هقول 180 minus 70 equal 110. Okay, if I ask you that angle A equal 80 degree, that means angle B equal, excellent, 100. Why? Because 10 plus 100, 80 plus 100 equal 180. Okay. Property number 4, it was about the two diagonal bisect each other. Okay, if I have M is midpoint, then AM equal MC, AM equal MC, and الBM equal الMD. That means the point M is midpoint for the side BD and the side AC. Okay, I think it's easy. Okay, let me give you a mind map to understand all the four probabilities. Okay, the first, it was about each opposite side are equal in length. Each opposite side are equal in length. That's first. Okay. The second, it was about each opposite angle are equal in measure. طيب عايزك تاخد بالك من حاجة. لما اقول لك سايد لازم تفهم على طول ان انا بتكلم عن لينس. لما اقول لك انجل افهم على طول ان انا بتكلم عن measure. اوكي. طيب probability number 3 it was about the sum of two adjacent angle are supplementary. Supplementarily, that means the two adjacent angle sum ليهم equal 180. Okay. Number 4 is very important. Why, mister? He told me that the two diagonal bisect each other. What does that mean? Does the two diagonal equal? I don't told you that. Does the two diagonal perpendicular? No. Then the two diagonal just bisect each other. Just bisect each other. Not equal, not perpendicular. Then the probabilities of the two diagonal is the two diagonal bisect each other. But the two diagonals are not equal in length or not perpendicular. Okay? Look at point M. You will denote that M is the midpoint of AC and M is the midpoint of BD. Okay? Then let's take some exercise. Example number 1. In the opposite figure, A, B, C, D is a parallelogram in which AB equal 2 centimeter. Then CD, the opposite side equal 2 centimeter. Excellent. Each opposite side are equal. It's the first probabilities. Okay. Then AD equal 6 centimeter. Then BC equal 6 centimeter. Why? Because each opposite side are equal in length. Okay. Then continue. Measure of angle B equal 180. What does 105? Then this angle equal 105. Then the opposite angle, each opposite angle are equal in measure. Then angle D equal 105. Okay, 105. Yeah, continue. Two adjacent angle. If angle B equal 105, that means angle C equal. Excellent. 75. 75. Two adjacent angle, the sum of two adjacent angle equal 180. Look, 180 equal angle B plus angle C. Angle B equal 105 plus C equal 180. That means C equal 180 minus 105, which is 75. Excellent. Then he asked me that BC, as we know, BC equal 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter, okay. DC 2 centimeter, excellent. Measure of angle D. Measure of angle D equal 105. Each opposite side are equal. Measure of angle A. Measure of angle A. The opposite angle of the angle C equal 75. 75, okay. Then the two adjacent angle equal 180. Okay. Question number 3, he told me that find the parameter of the parallelogram. As we know, if he asks me about any parameter, I'll make easy something to find any parameter. In the opposite figure or any polygon, I'll make adding for all sides of the polygon. Then I'll make adding 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6. That's the parameter. Sum of all sides. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 6 equal 16 centimeter. Okay, I think it's very easy. Take another example. In the opposite figure,